Hello, and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Laura, Marketing Director at Sallie Tomato. Welcome to the 19th day of our 2025 Hearth and Handcrafted Advent Box. Today's reveal is a small but mighty sewing essential. Day 19. This is a great aid to any sewing project. Even the elves like to use them when making stockings. We're sure you'll like them too. Today's gift is Sallie Tomato Purple Sewing Clips. These clips are perfect for holding fabric layers together while sewing, especially for thick materials like cork, vinyl, or faux leather. They're easy to use, reusable, and a fun pop of color for your sewing space. A quick reminder is that pins should not be used in vinyl, cork, or faux leather, which makes these clips a perfect alternative. We hope these clips make your sewing projects smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. I hope today's item assists in your holiday prep and organization. Sign up for our newsletter below to get early access when the 2026 Advent Box launches. Please share and show off your photos of your completed project. We'd love to see your style and how you're using these new sewing clips. Use the hashtags Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and happy holidays to you and your family.